All right, we are gonna do a probably two-part video of this on how to use graphing, a substitution, and the elimination method all with this one set of equations for systems of equations. Again, don't forget, follow me on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram at YouWantAlgebra. These are located in the systems of equations. I'll probably put them in the graphing section so you can find them easier. So let's talk about what we're gonna do first. This is set up in our slope-intercept form. So it's really easy to graph. It's y equals mx plus b. So we always wanna start at the very end here, if this is in the correct form, with these numbers right here. These are y-intercepts. So these are gonna be the starting point when we graph both of these values. Now, in addition to that, I'm also gonna write down our slopes. Now we do have two slopes that are exactly the same. Our slope is 3/1. We don't have a fraction, so we put it over 1, we don't have a fraction. And the numerator, or our top number, is our rise, while our denominator, or the bottom number, is our run. So since they are both the same, that should be an indicator to me what is going to happen with this, but we're just gonna see this visually so you can see. So we'll start with the first one. We started at +1. So we're gonna go up here to the y-intercept at a +1, and then we're gonna use that rise over run. We're gonna go up 3 spots, 1, 2, 3, over 1 to the right. If I go anymore, I'll be off this graph. Now I can also go back here to the original starting point and just continue on the opposite direction. So instead of going up 3 and right 1, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3 down and 1 over this way. And 1, 2, 3 over 1 this way. So I do have enough room just to do those ones. So I will then connect these points and arrows on both sides. Now the reason I did do that is because I don't know where these are gonna cross, so, or if they cross at all. So that way at least I can do that, and then I can look further into this later on in a minute. So now I'm gonna look at the starting point of a -2. I'm gonna go down here to -2, and as I said, they have the same slope. So hopefully by now you realize that these are gonna be parallel lines because they start at different y's, but they are gonna be at the same rates. They're 1, 2, 3, up over 1. 1, 2, 3, up over 1. And you can do the same thing starting here. You're gonna go down 1, 2, 3, over 1 here, and connect all these values. And as you can see, yes, they are parallel. So there is not gonna be a solution to this one. So this is a no solution. And we're gonna take one quick look. I'm gonna actually gonna do a part 2 with this. So this is just the graphing section, and follow me, and the part 2 will be the substitution and elimination section, so you can see how to do all three of these the same way and get the same answer.